Hello everyone! Magandang buhay po sa lahat and welcome back again to my page, KG Beauty. And so for today's video, I just want to show you guys here very quick my finished product, my mango papaya soap. So look at that! Wow! Napakaganda po niya, oh! And it came with different design. So I have floral here. Floral mango papaya floral soap, and then the other one, it looks like a chocolate bar. Yeah, it looks yummy and ready to eat, but no. And this other one right here, I don't know, what do you think, ano po yung ano niya design? But anyways, next time when I make soup again, I'm gonna put like toppings on top of the mango, maybe a mango toppings. So, parang magmukha siyang parang tropical talaga. But anyways, it doesn't matter kung ano yung design ng aking sabon. Ang importante kung ano yung benefits na makukuha ninyo dito. So, alam niyo naman po yung mango, yung papaya, yung papaya is talagang nakakaputi po yan sa balat natin. And with all the ingredients I put right here, and the oils, the butter, it helps to moisturize your skin. It helps to fight against acne, blemishes, dark spot, and even like kung may mga sensitive skin kayo, number 1 din to. Ito yung gagamitin nyo kasi nakakaano po siya sa mga sensitive skin talaga. Ito po yung mabisang sabon na dapat ninyong gamitin kasi with all the natural ingredients na nilagay ko dito ay talagang makikita nyo yung resulta right away. So right here, inano ko po siya, nilagay ko po siya sa rack. Ayan, so the curing process time is 4 to 6 weeks, but 4 weeks okay na po ito gamitin. And I think I made this one August 1st. So, September 1st, ready na po itong ibenta at magamit. And I have a good news too because the other day, dinala ko po yung sample. I brought the sample at work, and I have few people na pinakita ko yung product. They smell it, and I let them feel the texture also sa sabon, and they're very happy, and they really love my product, and so they're gonna buy it. They're gonna buy product from me pag ma-okay na, pag na-cure na yung yung mga sabon. And I already have list of the people that wants to buy my product, and also hindi pa included sa first shift. Hindi ko pa nalista, so bukas maglilista ulit ako. And so far, I have 42 bar soap here. And dapat kailangan 42, but I have to make more. I'm just waiting for my package to arrive this week para makagawa ulit ako ng sabon. And gagawa ako ng marami talaga mga ka-friendships kasi yung curing time talaga is aabot siya ng 4 to 6 weeks. And also, I have to sell this one online. So, ayan, ready na ako, and very excited na talaga ako ibenta ito mga ka-friendships, and hopefully magiging successful yung small business ko in God's will. Ayan, so talagang sipag at tiyaga lang talaga ang kailangan dito. Thanks for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. God bless. Paalam.